Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here now we are going to do is Microsoft Edge showing white screen. That's the problem of all are getting now. Go to the search menu, type in settings, go to apps, go to installed apps, Microsoft Eagle, go there. Oh no, we need to search it. Micro Edge. Okay, type here three dot modify. Yes, repair. Repairing Microsoft requires internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browsing data and settings won't get affected. Oh, repair. Just wait a minute. Now that finished. Okay, go to Microsoft Edge and go to extensions. Probably this may be a problem of everyone. I think extension, manage extensions. Here, if you used any extension, please disable it. Moments that will get problem for this. I think so. Need to disable that. Okay, that's for a video, guys. Thanks for watching it.